Alright, here's one technology tidbit to help you in your classroom in case you might not know. If you go down here to the little magnifying glass on your computer, click snip. The snipping tool will come up. You click new. You have the crosshairs plus sign come up. I want to capture something to share on my noteboard. Then I go to my noteboard, go to import, go to clipboard, and what you just snipped will be right there available for you so that you can work on this, work over here in the green, adjust the size of what you just snipped so you can work on worksheets and anything else you might want to show to the class, and also have the ability to write on the board. So there is one technology tidbit for you. Have a great day.